I think most homeowners don't know that most companies around them are bought out by private equity. You know, and here at Mallard Air, me and Ethan both come from private equity companies. That, you know, there wasn't private equity, they went private equity. That's how me and Ethan met. That's how we formed Mallard Air and everything, because we actually come from a private equity company, and we seen things that we just don't do at Mallard Air here. Isn't strictly is it you take the hometown company out of the play, and the people that own private equity, we always say they in a ivory tower somewhere way off Florida or wherever, and they don't even know what's going on in Baldwin County or Mobile, Alabama. And here at Mallard Air, you know, when you call Mallard Air, you will either, the lady that answers the phone, but you'll most likely see Greg Roberts or Ethan Duncan, you know, on a day-to-day thing. And that's what I feel like of it is. And we also see things that went on in private equity that just ain't it ain't our key values. You know, it ain't our core values of what we teach our guys here. And being a family run and owned company, lived here, you know, was born and raised here, so been here the whole time.
And I'll touch on that. So I think that it's not known that a lot of these companies have been bought out by private equity. Like Greg said earlier, we did meet at a company that was not private equity when we worked for them, and then they were bought out by private equity. And we started noticing that there's beginning to be a hole in this market. There's not the small town, family-owned local contractor where they're getting, you know, less and less of them. And we decided to come in together and build Mallard Air from the ground up. One of the things that you can always guarantee with Mallard Air, we're not here pushing numbers. At the end of the day, it's about people. We care about the relationships with our customers. Like Greg said, when you call Mallard Air, there'll be 8 or 9 times out of 10 at some point in your relationship or transaction with us, you will be dealing with Greg Roberts and Ethan Duncan. Most 95% of our customers have our personal phone number, and that's the way we like it, because we want to ensure that people know when they're doing business with us, we're a phone call away. If something wrong goes on or something happens, if we make a mistake, we want people to be able to pick up the phone, get in touch with us so we can make sure it's handled accordingly and quickly. People's time is valuable, and we want to make sure that we are doing our job efficiently and effectively the right way, so we're not taking up as much time away from their family or job or work or whatever it is that's important to them. One of the things that we really preach to our guys, and we train very hard on this, our job is not to come in and say, hey, Ms. Jones, you need this. Hey, Ms. Jones, you need that. Our job is to educate, inform, and give options. And our goal at the end of the day is to educate, inform, and give options. And when we do that, we know we can leave the house with confidence, saying that the customer has the tools they need to make the right decision for them and their family, whether that be replacement or repaired. We'll never come in and say, hey, Ms. Jones, this thing can't be repaired, you have to replace it. We're not that type of company. We will repair anything that we can, and that's something we pride ourselves on, giving that option to always have a chance to repair a system versus replace. And weigh an option and see weighing your odds and seeing which option is best for you. If you would like more information on this, please call us at 251-225-4035 or visit our website at callmallardair.com.